Shalom, shalom, shalom. Salakia. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Of course, getting our praises and glorification to Yahawah, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH, and YAHAWAH, YAHAWASHI. Call Lamla, Yahawah, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, Shemaka QADASH. And the praises to Yahawah, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH. Of course, getting the bars to the Apostle Muslim, we teach them well. And just talk about a certain doctrine that most other groups hold about how some of the elect will be dying in the second wilderness. Because kind of came to mind, we'll all just talk about these bug outs saying that they're not going to die. Things like that. Well, that they can't die. No. Things like that. So, low one, it's going to go on this topic real quick because most people believe that this heresy about the fact that most of the elect will die in the second wilderness, which is completely false. And they gave from here. Ezekiel 20. Ezekiel 20 and start with 36. Like it said, plead with your fathers in the wilderness of the land of Egypt, so will plead with you, save Yahawah power. And they try to align into what happened in Egypt. After Egypt. Israel got delivered from Egypt. Then the Lord started killing the Israelites in the wilderness. They try to say it's the same thing going to happen. No. Israel got to get delivered. And after they get delivered, they got to start killing. People got to start killing one another. People just got to start killing one another, going off, which is completely wicked. You got to put a blunt in, completely wicked. Little one, I get precepts on that. But before I do that, let me just finish up on this. 37. And I'll cause you to pass under the rod, and I'll bring you to the bond of the covenant. The bond of the covenant, which is what? New covenant. This is talking about the elect. The elect will get put under the new covenant. That's really what it means. Getting passed under, be counted under the new covenant. And I'm about to pull it up. Because I believe that dude, I'll say his name correctly this time, Elazar, said that they gotta get judged. Basically, they gotta get judged like in fierce judgment in second wilderness. They gotta get judged, they gotta get beat. They gotta get scourged as like the first wilderness. They basically tried to align like that, which is incorrect. According to the word under the rod. When I'm sticking to the word pass under the rod. Going down here. Scrolling. No. I can find it real quick. Little one. It one of these definitions. The little one I can find it. Let's see. The main point is it being counted. Not judged, but counted rather. Bear with me for a second. Little one I can pull it up. Bear with me. But it's just, I gotta get more precepts upon this. Showing that how we're gonna be in incorruptible bodies and how we're gonna be undefiled and all that. So the idea that we're gonna die in the second wilderness is just stupendous. For what reason? Because we're gonna be perfect in the new after we get beamed up. Lower than us. We gotta be perfect. We gotta be glorified. Glorified bodies. And it's a long list. Salakia. Trying to find find the exact one. There's so many. But yeah, we gotta be perfect. We gotta be glorified. There we go. This is it right here. I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we gotta be perfect. We gotta be glorified and exalted, even. You know? God, count. Damn. Still lucky. Damn. Bear with me. Yeah, we gotta be glorified and glorified bodies, man. We ain't gonna be. There we go. There it is. Calling like YAHAWASHI Shah. Shemaka QADASH. There it is. It took a little bit. I highlighted. Cause. No. Cause pass under the rod for counting. Ezekiel 20:37. So this is for counting. No? You gotta count them part and number of the elect. Well, part and number worthy to go under the new covenant. No? To be correct. They could be counted worthy to go under the new covenant. That's what I mean by pass under the rod. Doesn't mean they're gonna get judged and jacked up, because the word for judge there, or plead there, is the word, well, Shalaki. The word for rod there, I meant to say, is the word shapat, or Shabbat. No? They say like club, like a rod, like a staff, and fighting rod, correction. No? They try to imply it that is in terms of violence. But rather, the Lord got to be peaceable with his elect, with his chosen. No? And give them the rights to go on the new covenant. No, at that time. Really all Israel, but at that time, specifically the elect. Chosen of Yahawah Shai. No? And those also who, after the elect come down, humble down to the elect, and can take it back to the promised land, as well. But yet they try to say that it's only talking about the elect. We gotta be this. Now they're about to read. 38. And I'll purge out from among you the rebels. So they try to say some of the elect of Yahawah Shai are part of the rebels. No, the part of rebels of Yahawah, well, part of rebels. Those against Yahawah Shai. They try to say that that's the elect. That's talking about the elect. Rebels among the elect, which is literally impossible. No? I might as well get a precept on it, well, because of mine. No, because again, this is a heresy. A lie, a heresy, a deceit. No? Because again, we're going to be incorruptible bodies. In the book of 1 Corinthians 15:50. Now this I say, brethren, that flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of Yahawah. Neither do corruption inherit incorruption. No, so those who are corruptible, wicked, evil, deceitful are not going to inherit the kingdom of heaven. So he's saying these rebels are going to get beamed up, get glorified bodies, as I'm about to read, and somehow die, or somehow get killed, die, even after you get beamed up. It's a complete heresy. Yet these people, these other groups, because that's really what they are, the other groups, believe that. They believe that madness. No, as that glorified novice says, madness. They're winging it. Like he said, they're winging it. No, because really at the end of the day, that's completely off according to the scriptures, man. And that's ironic. The same group that said that GMS is winging it, or for the barcode, is the same one who preaches this madness as well, which is ironic. But whatever. Behold, I shew you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed. In a moment, in a twinkling of an eye, at the last trump, for the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed.